The kidneys perform several vital functions in the body. The most important of them is detoxification and filtering out the waste products and excess fluids from the body and dispose of them in the form of urine. It is unimaginable that the amount of blood filtered by the kidneys reaches 180 liters per day, and there are many unhealthy habits that lead to the accumulation of toxins, which makes an additional burden on the kidneys. Kidneys and liver cleansing is one of the most necessary body functions that should concern everybody in order to maintain their vital systems in the body and keep everything in its tip-top shape. Luckily, we know that there are a number of natural recipes and herbs that contribute directly in the process of cleaning the kidneys. The most important one is parsley, as it works to prevent kidney disease and the formation of kidney stones, and it prevents the accumulation of toxins in the body. Parsley has the ability to cleanse the kidneys because it contains an abundant amount of vitamins and essential minerals on which the kidneys depend to perform most properly. In addition to that, parsley contains important medical properties that are known to be very helpful to our health. Parsley plays the role of an antimicrobial and anti-anemia anticoagulant and works to reduce liver poisoning. It reduces high blood pressure and is considered to be a strong diuretic, and it compensates for hypoglycemia and fights oxidation and regulates the menstrual cycle. Now here's the way of preparing boiled parsley. First, the ingredients. 1. A handful of fresh parsley. 2. 8 glasses of water. 2 tablespoons of natural honey. 3. 1 cup of lemon juice. Wash the parsley very well, then cut it into large pieces. Boil the water a little over medium heat, and when the water comes to a boil, add the parsley and reduce the heat. Leave it there for 10 minutes. Take the water and turn off the heat and let it cool down, and then filter it. Add the lemon juice and honey to improve the taste. This drink can be reserved in the refrigerator and taken within a maximum period of 1 week. And if you suffer from a previous kidney disease, you should consult a doctor before eating boiled parsley. Boiled parsley is also not recommended for pregnant women because it worsens the symptoms that accompany the menstrual cycle and stimulates miscarriage. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes so that you always stay tuned. And if there is someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with them. Stay healthy.